1936. The Giza Plateau, Egypt. For more than 3,000 years, the body of the Great Sphinx had been buried beneath the sand. But after 11 years of work, Egyptian archaeologists uncovered the entire monument for the first time since antiquity. At 241 feet long and 66 feet high, it is the largest and oldest monolithic statue in the world. Even more incredible is its shape. The Sphinx has the head of a man and the body of a lion. Although Egyptologists date the construction of the Great Sphinx to the reign of the pharaoh Khafra in approximately 2500 BC, others claim its construction could be much older. The orthodox date of about 2500 BC tagged on these monuments has been challenged by a group of researchers, including myself, who have argued that the erosion of the Sphinx suggests much older Sphinx. Although Egyptologists have found no agreement as to when or why this strange monument was built, ancient astronaut theorists believe it may offer proof of extraterrestrials being present in ancient Egypt. We see in many ancient Sumerian and Egyptian inscriptions of sphinxes, half man, half animal of some kind, and a variance to a degree of different combinations of animals and human beings. We have to wonder, why would they be doing this? And logically, it starts to make more sense when we realize a lot of these ancient texts explain that extraterrestrials came here and created us in their image and after their likeness. If you believe the work of the late Zecharia Sitchin, where he believes that the Anunnaki came from a planet that is somewhere out in our solar system, and that they came here to mine for gold, but they figured they're not going to do the work themselves. So they decided to take what creatures were on this planet at the time, genetically alter them, and make mankind. And if that's the case, it's very possible that they could be using genetic alterations to experiment with not only just humanity, but a mixing of other species with humanity. Could the Great Sphinx be evidence of genetic engineering by ancient aliens? And if, as Zecharia Sitchin proposed, extraterrestrials were genetically altering humans and animals for the purpose of mining gold, might this enormous structure have at one point been a repository for that gold? Is it possible that when Egyptian archaeologists began excavating the Great Sphinx, what they were really searching for was gold? Over the centuries, secret chambers, shafts, and elaborate tunnel systems have indeed been discovered all around the Giza Plateau. A shaft was discovered called the Osirian Shaft, which led under the Giza Plateau behind the Sphinx. Now in that shaft are